down there. Back up in here with another one of them things. Got an 8-dog. This is a continuation of the last time. We went to go get the transmission, man. Now we're going to get a battery. His battery is dead on his car, like dead, like croaked over, like ain't no coming back from it. So we're about to shoot down to Walmart real quick, see what they got for us, and we gotta hit this Home Depot too, man. Hit Home Depot, man, and show them around Home Depot, because as a man, Home Depot is your Walmart. Home Depot to a man is what Walmart is to a woman. So, about to go and walk around Home Depot, man, and probably pick up an item or two. And yeah. So man, y'all hold it down, man. What they clearing it up for? I wonder if they finna put another gas station right there. 5 gas stations on one corner. But yeah, like I said, man, I'm finna run down and do this, and see what we come up with for today. Tap y'all back in a minute. Yeah, so we got a battery. Ain't no need to showing y'all that. You seen one car battery, you seen them all. But man, your boy had to go in there, man, and get him something to eat, man. Your boy went and got a rotisserie chicken, man. He hating. The man hating on my rotisserie chicken. The man hating on the rotisserie chicken, man. Look, hey. I'm finna smack this motherfucker too.
I'm finna smack you before you back.
I ain't worried about it. But this is hot. This ain't cold. I put that cold shit back. This is hot. This is freshness guaranteed. Yeah, so we're gonna shoot over to the Home Depot. And I can't record and talk to y'all and eat at the same time, so I'm gonna shoot over here, man, and spend some more money. Some more Ashton's money. God damn it. You rich right now, you ain't got no bills. Yeah, rich out here. But yeah, I'm gonna go over here, man, and look at the essentials that he's gonna need. And yeah, get him on the right track, man, so he can be out here doing things, increasing value to himself every day. Yeah, every day. All right, I'm finna eat. Hot shot, man. Mr. Sun. Yeah, y'all know they be having that music going on in here. What is that? Look at that. Organize all your batteries. With Halloween. About to grab Ashton something, man, that it could possibly make some more money with if it's in here. Let's see if we got this old, see if it's down here. And yeah, hold on, second. Yep. Old tool kit. Get another tool kit, man. Like I said, he could probably make him some more money. Make that money back. I need to go. Let's go this way. Excuse me. Now this music, man. I'm gonna put some music in this. Need no shower head. Nah. I like this joint though. Yeah. Whatever. I ain't worried about it. Excuse me. So I'm gonna pick out all this stuff. I'm telling you, this right here is gonna be your Walmart. I'm telling you. Whatever you think you might need ever, try it in here. As a man, anyway. Like stuff like that, clamps and stuff. Like you probably won't use. You probably won't use too much of that stuff, but like, hey, they got. What? Let me see that. No, yeah. Okay. You will get some of these one day. You might need some pliers one day. We'll find a little kit with some pliers in it. Let me see if they got one. Cause you gonna need a bag for it anyway, cause it ain't gonna even fit in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Buy you a bag. No, I ain't get that. I'm gonna get you a bag. I'm gonna put you a whole bag together, so you'll have it. That's what I'm gonna do. Bag, screwdrivers, all that, right? So you can have everything you need. Yep. That's what I'm gonna do for you. It's this. Cause you're gonna need all this screwdrivers. I think you got a little screwdriver kit in there though, but you're gonna need different size stuff. Like, and it really depends on what you really gonna be doing with that. Like, you might not even need that. You know what I'm saying? That's just basic. Yeah, it's basic. Like, I can do this right here, right fast with my car. You get tired of other stuff. You just, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, hey, we put the other thing back, man, because we was gonna spend $80 on 94 pieces. When this right here, what Memphis Mike was telling me about, this one here, and I didn't see it. 270 pieces, man. You got wrenches, you got all this right here. You know what I'm saying? You got your drawers, you got all that. Man, $99. Like, come on, man. You can't even, nah. Yeah, he was gonna spend $80 for, man, a quarter of what this is. So, yeah, now we in there. Appreciate that, Memphis Mike. Now you got a whole tool chest. Hold that junk. You got a whole tool chest in your car. Boy, Ace, boy, Ace. Yeah, so we about to shoot back to the crib now. We got a battery, we got a good hot battery, we got a big tool chest, 270 piece. Teach him how to, man, keep his tools organized and all that good stuff there, man. You know, the stuff that I was taught. You know what I'm saying? Keep him how to organize the tools, keep everything straight, keep all your tools clean at all times, all that good stuff right there. But like I said, that little $100 that he just spent, that right there is gonna. Huh?
How much stuff is in there?
Right, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't even need, like, that tool kit back there that I got, my dad bought that. And he I had that kit, I think he bought it for Christmas for me one year when I was younger. And I done had that same kit. I still got the first kit that I bought. It's like this big. Bought me a little tool kit. I still got the first one. I just don't use it no more. But yeah, it like, man, you can get some real jobs with that. You know what I'm saying? People always need somebody to help them do something or whatever. You know what I'm saying? If you decide that's what you want to do, go do some little simple jobs right quick. That toolkit gonna pay for itself. Mine probably pay for itself a million times. Yeah, man, we head to the house, man. Finna let Ashton, man, change his own battery. We finna start right off. We starting right off with the tool set, man. We finna, man, break that joint in real proper, like. I'm talking about as soon as we get to the house, man, we finna break this joint in. Come on, old timer, I ain't gonna hit you. I'm trying to speed up. Don't try to speed up. You're gonna lose your hip. Oh boy. Man, I should not have came this way. Why did I come this way? Anyway, man, that lady right there was just at Home Depot. She moving pretty fast. Well, yeah, man, I'm finna get back to my chicken. Fat boy gotta eat, man. Get back to my chicken. I'll see y'all, man, when we got this hood up on this Honda, man. It's already out, so just pull it up. It was loose enough. Just pull it out. Yep. Now just pull your battery out. Let me take that out. That ain't. Just pull it out. Just pull it up. For now, just sit it on the ground. But in if this was any other instance, if this was this battery, right, you do not sit batteries on the concrete. Okay. It will kill them. So sit that up for now. Yeah, that one I already did, so I don't know. I hope this battery ain't too big. Yep, it's too big. It's too big. Hold on. Alright, so the battery was too big, so we gotta take the other battery back. How many crank amps is that? 530. How much was the other one? So you can't go, I don't want to go no lower than that. Could have just took this whole thing out. Hold on. Nah, man, I must obviously forgot who I was for a second. We ain't taking this battery back. Man, that battery fit. They just had this on here, which is factory stuff. It's cool, but we ain't doing that. We got batteries, so we good.
So this is useless.
It's useless. We ain't using that no more. So yeah. So yeah, man, we finna he finna hook his battery up, and yeah, we finna roll with it like that.
Something bad happened.
Can't nothing bad happen from a battery. But yeah, not my battery did. So like I said, man, y'all seen one battery, y'all seen them all. Y'all seen him put his battery in. We got more stuff to come, man. We gotta get this transmission out of here, man. That transmission down there. Gotta get that old transmission out of here. And y'all seen the transmission in the back of the Jeep. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna close this one out, man. And man, we gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. As we put this battery in here. My battery dead anyway. So yeah. I catch y'all in the next one. Or if something happens other than this, then nah, loosen that one. This one should be fine. That one in. Loosen that one. Yeah, loosen it. So it can drop down a little more. Because that battery a little taller than the other one. Yeah. Oh yeah, man, and I forgot to tell you, some people that got in the comments and said congratulations on your car and everything like that.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, so yeah, man, we appreciate y'all for the love, man, support. But yeah, y'all finna see the Honda Beetle, man. So like I said, if something else happens, man, I'll pick the camera back up. If not, man, I'll see y'all in the next one. Yeah, I don't know why my camera did that, but me and my dog's gonna be here, man, in the back seat. Man, drinking good alcohol. Got us a old damn, what's going on with that? Child safety lock. What is wrong open? Well, that's another thing we gotta try to figure out why that's doing that. I don't know why that's doing that. Let's see. Yep, oh well. Let that old Wonder back up. Let's see what we got on this side. See if I can get out on this side. Yeah, I can get out on this side. Yep, there's something going on with the handle. Something going on with the handle on this side, so we'll figure that out. But yeah, we out, man. We is out.